Tonight, the Georgia Court of Appeals taking up a ruling that allowed Fulton County DA Fani Willis to stay on her election interference case against former President Donald Trump.
The decision drastically changes the course of the case and could lead to major delays here. So we want to get you straight out to 11 Alive's Brittany Kleinpeter live in downtown Atlanta. So Brittany, what more can you tell us about this?
Good evening, guys. So this essentially means two things. One, that it will likely delay the case. The other thing is that now DA Fani Willis could be disqualified from prosecuting it once again. Former President Donald Trump secured another win in his bid to slow down criminal proceedings against him, this time in Georgia, after the Georgia appellate court agreed to hear his bid to disqualify District Attorney Fani Willis from Georgia's election interference case. The decision will most certainly delay the trial in Fulton County for Trump and his 14 co-defendants, as well as put Willis's fate on the case once again up in the air.
So if the appeal is successful, then at that point, Fani Willis would have to be recused as the district attorney, and not only herself, but her entire office.
Emory law professor John Acevedo, who is closely following the Fulton County case, says the ruling means that the former president will most likely not have to deal with proceedings until after the election.
It makes it very unlikely that the trial will start before the general election in November. It may still start this calendar year.
In the original motion to disqualify Willis, Judge McAfee determined that she could stay on the case with the condition that Nathan Wade would resign. The romantic relationship between the two became the focus of the disqualification matter. Now, 8 defendants, including Trump, filed an appeal to a motion to disqualify Willis. And I want to remind you all, this wasn't the only decision to come down from the appellate court today. We also learned in the last few hours that defendant Harrison Floyd used to be the director of Black Voices for Trump, filed a separate appeal on a different matter, and that was denied. Reporting from downtown Atlanta, Brittany Kleinpeter, 11 Alive News.
All right, Brittany, thank you so much. Now, this is just the latest delay in the former president's 4 ongoing criminal cases. Yesterday, a federal judge indefinitely postponed his classified documents trial, which was set to begin in May. The order means the trial could happen even closer to Election Day and might even be delayed until after November. Apart from the former president's hush money trial, the classified documents case was the only one with the set court date.